Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a bedroom clean with me. I'm usually so tired I can only do one floor at a time, so I'm going to break it up a bit and just show you guys the bedroom today. I hope you enjoy this video. I worked really hard and I love the end result. If you love this type of content, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and turn that bell on so you'll have all the notifications when I upload new videos. Alright, enough chatter. Let's dive right into this video.
So fly, you got me like my. You got me like my. You got me like there's no other than you now, babe. Nah, 'cause you got me like my. Like oh my God, don't let anyone hold you down just because you are shining way more than the other could. And the best part is that you're still so humble.
I hope y'all don't get dizzy with how many times I walk back and forth fixing this bed, but I really like my sheets to be pretty perfect, almost like at the hotel, you know, where they tuck and they, you know, turn it to the side and make that little triangle at the bottom. I don't know, it just helps my sheets stay on my bed because we sleep pretty wild. So yeah, this comforter has it, but my sheets stick on every day. So I take that little extra step when I'm making up my bed to really tuck in and make my sheets, you know, pretty clean under the bed.
There's no other than you now, babe. Nah, 'cause you got me like my. Like oh my God, this time it's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my. You got me like my. You got me like there's no other than you now, baby. Nah, 'cause you got me like my. Like oh my God, you got me like you got me like there's no other than you now, baby. Nah, 'cause you got me like my. Like oh my God. Yeah.
Y'all, this throw from Walmart by Better Homes is the best. Like, it feels so good to the skin. It adds a bit of drama to the edge of my bed. I really like it, and I think I'm gonna get one for my kids.
I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say.
If you've been following me for a while, you'll know that in my last video that I did ages ago where I, you know, cleaned my bedroom and stuff, I had these nightstands, and since then I've been planning on replacing them to give something, you know, a little niceness, a little bit more, you know, higher end look to the sides of my bed. But it hasn't worked out because the options that I really wanted were from IKEA, and I believe the style that I really wanted that pretty much matches my dresser was out of stock indefinitely, and I guess we'll have to wait and see what they come up with over time, or if something else catches my eye. But yeah, in the meantime, I'm going to stick with my little cube organizers, keep it clean and keep it cute.
All night long, there's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby, so come give me love. You know you're mine, baby, so come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss.
And y'all, I try to make my bedroom a place of love. This little flower bouquet that's sitting in that little vase is my actual bouquet for my wedding from 2013, and a cozy candle. And I just really love it. It's just, you know, looking over there, you don't always think about it, but when you really look at it, you're like, oh, this is sweet. I have a memory from my wedding day right beside my bed every day when I wake up, so I'll keep that there.
So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby, so come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, babe, so come give me love. All of your love, won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening, you know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours, you know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was right now. Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning. Love me in the
Alright, so as I stated, I try to keep love in this bedroom. You'll see these gifts here. One is made of wood, one is made of metal, or excuse me, iron. The little metal people, it's an infinity symbol of a woman and a man, and it's made from wood, which is from our 5th year anniversary, and the 6th is iron, and it's from our 6th year anniversary. So check those out about, like, you know, like, where does that come from? But those are supposed to be traditional things you make gifts from or get gifts from during your anniversary years.
Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say.
And yeah, that's a bottle of moonshine, you see. I mean, it's from the actual, you know, ABC store. But yeah, my husband told me to leave that clip in there because I was going to cut it out. Because I don't want y'all judging me. Like, that's his. I don't have a clue why that was in that room. Not one clue at all.
So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love, I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby, so come give me love. You know you're mine, baby, so come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby, so come give me love. All of your love, won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening, you know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours, you know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was right now. Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning, love me in the evening, you know what I want. I know I'm yours, baby, so come give me love. You know you're mine, baby, so come give me
Yes, you see 3 baskets of clean clothing here sitting in my bedroom. I'm one of those people, since the laundry room is so close by, and I even have a table in there, but I don't use it. I just come and bring the thing straight out of the dryer and put it right in my room. But enough is enough, and I'll be folding these clothes soon, but I wanted to get them back out of here. So stay tuned, and you'll be seeing that fold with me or laundry video coming soon.
like our time was right now. Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning, love me in
as you can see, I went on ahead and decided to clean the mirrors behind my bed. For some reason, I always forget to do this, but I went ahead and knocked those out. And I'm actually thinking about painting these black just so it can have a cohesive look in here with the little nightstand that we're using. Now it's time to spray down this chair because I mean we're always sitting in it and I like to refresh it. I don't want this chair in here, but my husband won't let me get rid of it, so I guess it's here to stay. Alright, I'm going to finish up in here by vacuuming and giving you guys a pan of the room.
At me like I know what he's thinking, but I don't have a clue. True talent in avoiding conversation, yeah, it's almost rather cruel. Oh, I know he got me good in his pocket. I know that I'm used to treat. Well, the taste is bitter.
I know y'all are like, Quay, those shirts were already folded. Why you being so extra? But I like my shirts folded a certain way so that they can fit inside my drawer so that I can know what shirts I have available. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and place these in the drawer and finish up things a bit and we will be all set. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you've been following me for a while, you'll see that there are a few different things here throughout the video, which is that black dresser, because the first one I had, oh my goodness, it had to go. But yeah, so, and new comforter set, and just this throw that I picked up from Walmart. So many little touches of things, and you'll even see a few things that I have from my home decor haul video that I can place right up here at the top. But yeah, that's the end of the video. Here's a good quick little pan around the room so you can kind of see how everything looks. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. Bye bye.